Hey everyone! Welcome back to Style Forever After. It's Rebecca here, and today I'm super excited to share with you 10 quick and easy fashion hacks that will instantly upgrade your look. These tips are super simple and can be done with items you already have in your wardrobe. Ready to take your style to the next level? Let's get started. First up, the French tuck. This is such an easy way to add a polished look to any outfit. Simply tuck the front of your shirt into your pants or skirt and leave the back out. It instantly creates a more tailored look without much effort. Next, let's talk about cuffing your sleeves. Rolling up your sleeves adds a casual yet put-together vibe. Just fold the sleeve up once, then roll it again, leaving the cuff exposed for a relaxed but stylish look. Or you can try this hack by Lena Nuri as a suitable and stylish alternative. Adding a belt can completely change the silhouette of an outfit. Take an oversized top or dress and cinch it at the waist with a belt. This not only defines your waist but also adds a chic touch to your look. Layering necklaces is a great way to add dimension to a simple outfit. Start with a choker, add a mid-length necklace, and finish with a longer piece. This creates a visually interesting look that's perfect for any occasion. Hack 5. Tying a t-shirt. Tying a t-shirt is an easy hack to transform a basic tee. Just gather some fabric at the front or side and tie a knot. This instantly gives your t-shirt a trendy, crop look that's perfect for pairing with high-waisted jeans or skirts. Style hack number 6. Using a scarf as a belt is a fun way to add color and texture to your outfit. Thread a colorful scarf through the belt loops of your jeans or wrap it around your waist with a dress. It's a simple hack that makes a big difference. Rolling up the cuffs of your jeans can showcase your shoes and create a more casual look. Just fold the hem of your jeans up once or twice, and you're good to go. This hack works especially well with ankle boots and sneakers. Adding a pop of color with accessories is a great way to brighten up your outfit. Think bright colors, bold bags, vibrant shoes, or statement jewelry. This hack adds visual interest and can completely transform a neutral look. Tying a knot in the hem of a dress is an easy way to change its silhouette. Gather some fabric at the side or front and tie a knot to create a more fitted look. This hack is perfect for giving your dress a new twist. Finally, tucking in your shirt or doing a half tuck can add shape to your outfit. Just tuck the front part of your shirt into your pants or skirt, leaving the back loose. This creates a flattering and stylish look that's effortlessly chic. And there you have it, 10 quick and easy fashion hacks to instantly upgrade your look. Which hack was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fashion tips and inspiration. Thanks for watching Style Forever After. Stay hot and stay stylish, and we'll see you next time. Hey fashion girlies, welcome back to Style Forever After, where we bring you the latest in style and trends. It's Rebecca, and today we're transforming simple daytime outfits into stylish evening looks with just a few easy changes. Let's jump right in. First up, we have a casual day look that's perfect for running errands or grabbing coffee with friends. For our daytime look, I've chosen a casual dress paired with sandals and a denim jacket. It's comfortable and stylish for any casual outing. Now, to transform this look for a chic evening out, simply swap the sneakers for heels, add some statement jewelry, and switch to a clutch bag. Voila! Instant glamour! See how these simple changes elevate the entire look. It's like Cinderella, but with better footwear. Next, let's take an office look and transform it into something suitable for a dinner date. Because who doesn't want to go from meeting minutes to dinner delights? For our daytime office look, we have a blouse paired with tailored pants and sneakers. To take this look to the next level for an evening date, switch to heeled sandals. And don't forget a bold lipstick to complete the transformation. And remember, confidence is the best accessory. Now, you're ready for a romantic dinner date or a night out with friends. Just make sure not to leave your work worries behind in your tote bag. Let's move on to a weekend look that can easily transition to a night out. Because why should fun stop when the sun goes down? For our daytime look, we have a simple t-shirt paired with jeans and sandals. To make this outfit night ready, swap the t-shirt for a silk camisole, add a statement necklace, and switch to ankle boots. And there you have it, ready to dance the night away. These changes make the outfit more polished and ready for a night on the town. Just don't forget where you parked your car after those errands. Next, we have a cozy daytime look that can be easily dressed up for a cocktail party. Because who says you can't go from coffee run to cocktail fun? Our daytime look features a knit sweater, a midi skirt, and ballet flats. To transition this outfit for an evening event, replace the sweater with a black fitted top. You can add a statement belt and switch to platform boots. It's like magic, but better. These changes make the outfit more sophisticated and perfect for a cocktail party. Cheers to looking fabulous! Finally, let's transform a brunch look into an evening event outfit. Because why limit your social life to daylight? For our daytime look, we have some cute blouses paired with a choice of high-waisted shorts or skirts and heels. To elevate this look for the evening, add a tailored blazer, switch to flare pants, and add a bold clutch. You'll be ready to turn heads all night long. These additions make the outfit elegant and ready for any evening event. Just don't spill your mimosas on that blazer. Plus bonus tip girlies accessories. Accessories are a girl's best friends. So there you have it, 5 easy ways to transform your outfits from day to night. Which look was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Style Forever After, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Stay stylish, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!